a grave in Missouri, out where a tired man can rest. Bury my shotgun beside me, a corn liquor jug on my chest. Hide me away in the Ozarks. Don't put no stone at my head. Plant me where my wife can't find me. Then I'll live in peace when I'm dead. I'll take my shotgun a-hunting, drink from my jug when I'm dry. Hell, now it's dig me a grave in Missouri.